Tipunga mai o te rā, mai o ha mai rā. Te ara tapu o ngā tipuna, te ara tapu o ngā tipuna. E ka noho i te uranga mai o te rā, ko are ki rangi koe, nā ngara wa matariki e hora i ngara, e patukura.
In the spring of 1769, 4 months following his quest to view the transit of Venus, Captain James Cook, aboard the ship Endeavour, reached the shores of Uawa, home of Te Aitanga a Hauiti. This short video looks at the impact Cook and his crew had on the tangata whenua of this region.
On the 22nd, in the evening being Sunday, we weighed anchor and put to sea. But the wind being contrary, we stood for another. A little to the south, called by the natives Tolaga.
Behind me is Te Kōtore o Te Whenua. Today it is more commonly known as the Hole in the Wall. This is Cook's Cove, but to the local iwi, it has and will always be known as Te Upoko o Te Ika. So Sarah, Captain Cook came to our shores. He and his crew quickly realised that Uawa was pretty much as close to paradise as you can get. What impacts do you think he and his crew had on Te Aitanga a Hauiti?
Well, probably the biggest impact was the introduction of new technologies not seen before, like steel, glass, guns and gunpowder. I would imagine the Endeavour itself would have been a pretty impressive sight as it came into the bay.
Bet it was. Equally, he and his crew were taken with the intricate artwork they saw, not only in the waka and dwellings, but also in the tamuko. They also could see what a great looking people we were. What other impacts were evident?
Well, I think that Cook & Co. would have been the first foreign white traders to come to this area. Obviously, they had brought another language. Luckily, they had Tupaia, the Tahiti chief, with them. His language was similar enough to make three-way communication happen.
Yeah, but the subsequent colonisation of Aotearoa has eroded Te Reo Māori to the point now where we have to work really hard to ensure that our language continues to survive. What about other areas?
Well, Cook's crew also brought diseases that were foreign to Te Aitanga Hauiti, like venereal disease, smallpox and measles. They also needed local produce to help cure sicknesses like scurvy.
Well, I guess there are heaps of other things they brought too, but one thing still remains the same.
What's that?
Uawa is still the most beautiful place on earth.
Kia ora, you're with Dexter on the morning show. It's 10:15 on a beautiful Sunday morning in paradise. And I have a shout out to all the students working hard on the Transit of Venus project. They're out and about filming icons and symbols of Captain James Cook's visit to Uawa. Here it is, He Nangaroa of Te Hini Mati Oro album. Ko te tirangi te manga, Uawa te awa, ko te Aitanga Hauiti te iwi.
and Main Street, Gisborne. I bet it was. Captain Cook is so cool. This is Te Kotori o Te Whenua. Today it is more commonly known as Cook's Cove.
Not Cook's Cove.
I don't know, I forgot. This is where Captain Cook first set foot when he began his exploration of our local area.
This monument here is to commemorate.
You're with Dexter on the morning show. The time right now is 10:15 on a beautiful Sunday morning in paradise. I now have a shout out to all the students working hard on the Transit of Venus project. They're out and about filming icons and symbols of Captain James Cook.
We are at the Gisborne Museum.
Captain Cook. Captain Cook. Captain Cook.
Hurry up, I've turned it on.
I think that's a bit too up.
69.